Hi subbies, it's Mamita Nails coming with you guys today with another video. This video is about my glitter signups for June. Today is May 21st, so signups are going to start today. Sign up will end June 10th. I need your mixes by June 18th. 3 stamps, USA only, and you must be a subby. The theme is going to be your favorite summer drink. It could be anything. I just choose it because June, summer's right around the corner. So yeah, you guys, this theme again is favorite summer drink. You could do all different mixes. This is a 5 and 5 mix, meaning 5 baggies of your mix and 5 nail art. So yeah, you guys, if you are going to join, please do so and join, because some of the girls join and then all my swaps and then they never join. So if you're going to sign up, please make sure you're going to join, because the more you join all the swaps I've been doing and you don't sign up, I'm just gonna cancel you from signing up ever again, because today I still have not sent out my swaps yet from my other video, just because I was waiting on other people. So tonight I will definitely get on that and send everything out Thursday morning. Sorry you guys, if you guys are waiting. But yeah, you guys, this is my June signups, and if you want to join, just comment on the video or on Facebook. Let me know, and any questions, please let me know, and see you in the next one. Bye.